Tornado Cash price soars 1,000% after legal victory. Tornado Cash price jumps 1,000% after a U.S. court lifts sanctions. The court ruling protects decentralized platforms from government sanctions. Tornado Cash's token could keep rising as more people value privacy and decentralization. Tornado Cash token price surge by 1,000% following a major legal victory. A U.S. appeals court overturned sanctions imposed by the U.S. Treasury Department, ruling that Tornado Cash's smart contracts lines of code designed to enhance privacy cannot be classified as property under U.S. law and, therefore, cannot be sanctioned. Tornado Cash price movement. Following the court's decision, Tornado Cash's token, which had been consolidating for a long time, saw a dramatic price increase of 1,000%. This surge is viewed as a strong endorsement of privacy-focused projects in the crypto space. And the debate between privacy advocates and government regulators. Following the recent legal victory for Tornado Cash, the price of its associated token surged by 1,000, signaling strong market optimism. Many analysts believe this price spike could continue, as the ruling has bolstered investor confidence in privacy-focused projects within the cryptocurrency space. With the court's decision challenging the government's ability to sanction decentralized protocols, Tornado Cash's token could see sustained growth as more investors look to capitalize on the positive momentum. Court overturns U.S. sanctions on Tornado Cash. The legal battle began in 2022 when the Treasury Department blacklisted Tornado Cash, accusing it of facilitating money laundering, including transactions linked to North Korea's Lazarus Group. Critics argue that Tornado Cash is software, not an entity that can be sanctioned. The court agreed, ruling that Tornado Cash is decentralized. An immutable code does not fall under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, IPA, property restrictions. This ruling marks a significant shift in how decentralized platforms, like Tornado Cash, can be regulated. Many in the crypto community, including Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, he hailed it as a victory for open-source software and privacy rights. The decision protects the principles of decentralized finance, DeFi, by preventing the government from sanctioning software code simply for operating on a decentralized network. In the short term, the token may see more price fluctuations as it reacts to the news. However, the ruling could lead to long-term growth. As privacy and decentralization gain more importance in crypto, if Tornado Cash keeps its momentum and attracts more users, the token's price could keep rising, especially if market conditions and legal support remain favorable.